All right, hello, Dr. Richard Alm here, McKenzie certified provider, along with Brad Muse. We'll announce this in a little bit. So Dr. Muse also got recently certified. This is a technique or an approach that we use here, all four of the docs use. One of the things that we like to do or we think is important are those lifestyle changes that we probably put in the previous email. And one of the lifestyle changes, one of the rules for people that have a little bit of low back pain or sciatica is to always sit with back support or sit with back support when possible. The nice little thing that we sell here that you can get online or whatever is called the McKenzie roll. It's a little bit more of an aggressive thing to put behind your low back than some of the other things that are out there. So we prefer this one. How you would do this is you basically have this, you scoot your butt back, and then you have this right on your low back here. And then as you sit up, it basically prevents you from collapsing into that really bad position that we work in that produces a lot of the low back pain, aggravates the disc, and all that kind of stuff. But in an interest of kind of helping everybody out, we want to learn, this today is all about hacking that. So if you don't want to get one of those or you don't have one, what you can do is you can grab a towel. Now this is not quite sufficient. I usually will take a small bath towel and you basically just roll it up. I did it this weekend, literally. I was teaching in Lincoln, Nebraska, and I didn't have a McKenzie roll with me, but I had to work, on my presentation for a couple hours before. And so I took one of the towels out of the bathroom, rolled it up nice and tight, and then you have just rubber bands that you can sort of put around it so that it doesn't unravel. Okay. We do this. It's not quite as aggressive as the other one. Doesn't look nearly as pretty. But guess what? It works just as good or just as well. Sorry, Mom. So if we're here like this, scoot your butt back, take your homemade McKenzie roll, slide it in the same place, and now when I sit up, should feel it gently pushing your back forward. It's going to hold you in a better posture here, because if you try to go into that bad rounded posture, it pushes you forward like this, and then you're kind of off balance. So it keeps you nice and upright. You can use this for neck pain because by pushing you into a better posture, it's going to keep you in a nice position. So even though we think, where'd she go? This is probably your best option. If you want to test it out to see if this is what you're looking for, then you can take, again, not bigger than this for sure. You're going to take a small bath towel, roll it up pretty tight, put some rubber bands or some hair ties around it, and now you can sort of use that as your test. If that ends up working and you want to just stick honky tonk, you can use those in your car. You can use those at your work desk, or you can get one of these. You can get these online. You can come on into the office. But I cannot stress the importance of having good support while you're sitting. The other rules are, try to stand more than you sit and don't sit for more than 30 minutes. And if you can just follow those rules, let's say you have a little bit of back pain right now. If you started using the towel, having some back support, sitting for less than 30 minutes and just trying to favor standing up over sitting, you might abolish your back pain on your own without doing any therapy or any home exercises, just the lifestyle changes. So these guys are absolutely game changing for anybody from a little bit of back pain to severe pain shooting all the way down their legs. These things are absolutely paramount for the rehab. So give them a try. You can use the little hack that we showed you today, but start sitting with back support and hopefully you guys will feel great. See you next time.